In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bend letters here in Canva. Now, this is also known as curving and also known as arching. And this is extremely easy to do. Now, once you have your text on the canvas like this, we're simply going to click onto that text. We're going to come up to effects just here. Then if we scroll down here on the left-hand side, we can see this curve feature. Now, if we click on there, the text is going to bend just like this. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we have this bar that we can play around with to increase the curve or decrease it as well. So if we increase this bar, the curve is going to be more curved, and if we decrease it just like that, it's actually going to go the other way. But that's just how easy it is to bend letters here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.